You're scrolling through social media, maybe catching up on the news, and you keep seeing references to TD Bank in the USA. Or perhaps you're planning a trip, looking at banking options, and TD keeps popping up. You might even have a friend who banks with them, and you've always wondered, which bank exactly is TD in the USA? It sounds familiar, but what's the story behind those two letters? Is it a local player, a regional powerhouse, or something much bigger? It's a great question, because in the vast and often complex world of American finance, names can sometimes be deceiving, and origins can be a bit of a puzzle. We've got major national banks, smaller community banks, credit unions, and then there are those with international connections that have built a significant presence right here in the States. Understanding where a bank like TD fits into this landscape is key to appreciating its role and what it offers to millions of customers. So, let's peel back the layers and uncover the true identity of TD in the USA. The TD in TD Bank in the USA actually stands for Toronto Dominion. Yes, that's right, the bank has its roots firmly planted across the northern border, in Canada. TD Bank, N.A., as it's officially known in the United States, is the American subsidiary of the much larger Canadian multinational, the Toronto Dominion Bank. Now, this isn't just some small, obscure international offshoot. TD Bank has grown to become a significant force in the American banking sector. It operates primarily along the East Coast, stretching from Maine down to Florida, and also has a presence in Washington, D.C. With a substantial network of branches and ATMs, it's a familiar sight in many states. In fact, by deposits and total assets, TD Bank consistently ranks among the top 10 largest banks in the United States. This impressive growth is largely a result of a series of strategic mergers and acquisitions over the years, most notably the acquisition of Banknorth in 2005 and Commerce Bancorp in 2008, which really solidified its U.S. footprint. So, while its parent company is Canadian, TD Bank in the USA functions very much like an American national bank. It offers a comprehensive suite of financial products and services, including checking and savings accounts, loans, credit cards, mortgages, and various wealth management options for retail, small business, and commercial customers. They're known for their America's Most Convenient Bank slogan, often highlighting their extended branch hours, including weekends, which sets them apart from some competitors. It's important to remember that despite its Canadian origins, TD Bank, N.A. in the United States is federally chartered and subject to U.S. banking regulations, including being FDIC insured. This means your deposits are protected up to the standard limits, just like with any other FDIC-insured American bank. In essence, when you see TD Bank in the USA, you're looking at the substantial American arm of a major Canadian financial institution that has successfully established itself as a prominent player in the East Coast banking landscape, offering a full range of services to millions of American customers. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.